welcome back to my channel. So now we are going to Barangay Kaamlungan, our hometown, or my mom's barangay where she was born. And now we are currently here in our way. We're just taking a break because we are so exhausted. We were walking for almost an hour, and now maybe we were going to continue our walk. So that's it.
Ito may birthday kanihin mo.
Ayun na nga. Huwag na tayong mag-English, no? Kasi hindi naman tayo taga ibang bansa, no? O ayun, Tagalog na lang.
Ng ilong ko.
At ngayon po ay makikita natin ang isang batang dumidudoy sa kanyang inahan.
Kati susuman.
Hindi bibi pa katuruga.
Kati susugod.
Tadan! Si Hi!
Pwede ito kanimat malagay dito.
At ayun po ang isa kong pamangkin. Siya po ay naggagala-gala.
Hoy, matinik ito, matinik.
Pinamumurot at tinig.
O, dito po tayo mga kababayan sa aming Say hi! Say hi! Hoy! Ay mo? Mukulab?
Smile daw. Hi. Smile daw.
So, bye-bye muna for now. I'm going to continue this vlog later. Hello, so now we are going to continue our walk to our home, our second home, or rather first home. And finally, our my niece is not crying anymore.